welcome back to this channel. It's been a really long break, and this video is going to be a kind of different video from the other videos. This video is not actually about computer science. It's more about purely mathematics. Today we are going to make complex numbers in Python without using any kind of module or using help from any other pre-coded package or anything. So um, first we will make a first we will make a class of complex numbers, and then we'll initialize it. And for initializing it, we'll give it two variables. The first one will be its real part. Like if you see a complex number 3 plus 4i, the 3 is the real part which does not have iota, and there will be a imaginary part that will have the iota. Iota means root minus 1 for the complex part. So first we will give it the two attributes, real and imaginary, or real and not, and complex, whatever you can say. And then we will use these two very simple algebra, like addition of two complex numbers, subtraction of two complex number, etc, etc. Let's see how it goes. Let's speed this up a bit. Let's get done with this part of code, and then we will do the functional subtracting. Sorry, actually I forgot to mention the class before using the functions, and as the functions were in the class, they were stored in the class, there occurred an error. Now we are going to fix this, and then we are going to compile this code again and see what happens. So now we have got our calculations, and now we'll be going to try it one more time with a little bit of different values. Let's see.